So welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily create a a Gantt chart on Google Sheets. So first, you can just open your browser and then type in sheets.google.com. Click on enter and you'll be directed to the spreadsheets page. This one's right here, and in here, to start creating a Gantt chart, you can easily click on the Gantt chart template. If you cannot find it in here, just click on the template gallery and scroll down until you found project section. This one, project management, and there will be this Gantt chart template. So click on the template and you'll easily have a Gantt chart, but it's still on default, so you need to make some changes in here. You need to change the uh, project's name, for example, the project title, manager, company name, date, and others related items in here. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.